So what's up, YouTube? It's been a while. I know. I just been trying to stack, but I got some good news. I told y'all I sold some crypto and created a reptile company, but pretty sure I'm the first person in the planet to do what I'm about to show y'all. NFTs, you guys remember those? What about them? Stay tuned, here we go. Alright, we're back. So now you guys are probably asking yourself, what's NFTs have to do with pets or animals or ball pythons? Well, the snake business, the ball python business, there's a lot of breeders. A lot of very good people out there. It's a very good community, but there's a lot of competition as well. So I would sit there and think at night, what can I do to set myself and our business apart from the rest? You know, we would brainstorm. I would keep coming up with idea after idea. I mean, it even got to the point we were thinking about giving out free thermostats with everyone that purchased a snake. But you know, we were just brainstorming, and one night it just clicked. Bobby, you've been in crypto forever. You know more about the blockchain than almost anyone on this planet. Put your snakes on the blockchain. Ding! So I woke up the next morning and I called Dave up and I was like, I got it. It's like, boom, the light bulb just went off. We're going to put all of our snakes on a blockchain. We're going to create an NFT for each one of our snakes to get them on the blockchain. Inside the NFT, we can store metadata that tells all the snake's genetics, a background story if there's one about the snake. It can also tell the breeder that we got the snake from. What this can do is validate and track the genetics. Can't no one say, oh, it's a scam or they stole that picture or anything from us, because we got our own NFTs and they're on the blockchain. If you want to see every snake in our collection, you'll be able to go to algogems.io and look at every single snake that we have. And what we're going to do for our customers is, since we're creating an NFT of all of our babies, we're going to give all of our customers a free t-shirt with their baby's NFT printed on the front. And that's something that will set us apart from the rest. Each customer will get a one-of-a-kind t-shirt that nobody else has on this planet, with the opportunity of purchasing their NFT straight from us if they want to do so. But they don't have to do so. We're just creating the NFTs so that we can track our genetics. You know, they got stuff on phones like Reptile Buddy and stuff like that where you can input all your snakes on there. What if your phone breaks? What if someone hacks that? Then you just lost all your information, all your feedings, every time they shed, every time that they locked up. All the information you were storing into that app is now gone. That can't happen on the blockchain. Once it's there, it's there. And you own all the rights to it, the person that makes the NFT. So we're actually going to make a positive use case of NFTs. I'm not a big fan of NFTs. I say it to people when I teach my crypto classes that it's a huge gamble, and I just don't see the point of spending thousands of dollars on an ape, $450,000 on an ape. You know what I mean? Like, that's just not me. I'd rather spend $450,000 on Bitcoin, Ethereum, or one of the other coins I talk about in my video, but that's neither here nor there. This is what we're doing, and right now I'm going to show you exactly what it looks like and how far we are of getting our collection onto the blockchain. Alright, y'all, here we go. We're on algogems.io. If you go in and you search in the search bar, just type in blockchain pythons and our site will come up. These are all the NFTs that I've got done so far. We got 9 in. I've created each one of these myself, and as you can see, none of them are for sale. I'm just creating them for myself. That way we get our genetics on the blockchain. Right now, if you click on one, it'll tell you a little bit about him. For instance, his name's Irony. He's a mandarin, spider, could be fire or vanilla with possible pastel. He's my biggest investment to date. Personally, I love the mandarin gene, and I'm very excited to have this gene in my collection. It also shows that he was purchased from a retired professional bodybuilder named Dave Palumbo at Palumbo's Pythons and Boas. I chose to go with Dave because I know him personally. I've met him in real life. I've had conversations with him in real life. I've even seen him work in the weight room in real life. So Dave's a good friend, and it shows all that. If you go to another one, like Harmony, she's Harmony. She's a genetic striped toffee. She was purchased from a guy named Brad McCarthy at the Steel City Reptile Show. I actually got about 3 or 4 snakes off of Brad. He's a good guy out of the Pittsburgh area, and we see him every time we go to the shows. If you look at Julius, he's one of my first snakes. He's just an inch lesser, but he's my kid's favorite snake. Breeder though is unknown. So see, if you look, we could put all kinds of data on there. You could sell them if you want. I don't plan on doing that. What I'm doing is I'm creating the breeders. If you look on the name, it'll say Blockchain Python Breeders. That's all the ones we're going to own. The babies are going to have babies next to it. And the ones we put on t-shirts to rock and support the Blockchain Pythons, it's going to say t-shirts at the end of it. So we're going to have 3 different categories. Like I said, man, there's exciting stuff. Not all NFTs are great, but not of them all are scams. Like, I'm in a ball python group in Facebook, and this guy won't even approve any of my pictures because he says NFTs are nothing but scams. So, you know, some people know, some people don't. But I ain't gonna lie to him, there's some scams out there, but just like everything, there's scammers. This right here is going to validate every single snake I have, and can't no one steal my pictures. So that's that. So I've been up to a little something. I haven't been stacking too much crypto. I've been working on my ball python business during this dip. I'm waiting for it to go a little lower, and then I'm going to hop back in with some more. But that's about it. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, anybody wants to know how to create an NFT, just hit me up with a question in the comments section. Hit that like button and subscribe for more free sauce. Later, y'all. I'm out.